Assalamualaikum. I am Fauzia Tahmid of Monon Rule 22 plus 7 Section A. So now I am going to share my experience about cooking skill on the subject Life and Livelihood provided by our honorable teacher Husnul Miss. Today I am using these vegetables and they are cucumber, capsicum, lady's finger, potato, spinach, carrot, borboti and tomato. In another plate, I took the spices. As you can see, they are onion, garlic, green chili, and coriander leaves. So let's get started. I hope you will like it. Now I started cooking as all the ingredients are ready to cook. First of all, I have putted all the vegetables in the pan one by one. Here you can see I am adding the chopped onion and spices. After that, I pour 1 cup of water in the pan and I also add oil in the pan. Now I am mixing it well. Then I cover the pan with a lid. Here the vegetables are boiling. After a while, I remove the lid and add some other ingredients like bay leaf, garlic, chili, salt, and tomatoes as needed. Now adding some other spices to make it more attractive. After that, on another pan, I will prepare the onion and red chili. Now I pour well onion and I am stirring it well and I am waiting for a brown color. Now as you can see, I am mixing it with the vegetables. It will make the vegetable more perfect, so I am mixing it well. Here adding the last thing, which is my favorite, coriander leaf. It will make the vegetable more tasty. Now all the process for the vegetable cooking is finished. Now all the process are done. The vegetable is ready to eat. Thank you everyone for watching my video.